Hey guy, welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you listened? My name is Ken Adeba. I'm a marketer. So first time must turn me to my channel, subscribe to my channel, subscribe, share this video, smash the like button, turn on release a new video for YouTube. So video, I'm going to show you actually bird ear. As you can see, the bird ear airdrop is just like for that that's so this is a verified airdrop. It is on Telegram. You can see the okay. So it's a very which you can actually uh mine this here. Now, how do you go about mining? You use it to sign or now when is my you come here, you can see you can claim this here in different way. You can really come here and do what? Daily task. Task are every day. You can do daily task and also you can come here, you can click on to tap. You can click on start to tap. Let me show you. See, so click on you can choose any of these mode. Any of this mode, then start. So now let me go back. As you can see, so you can do come to end. You can click on end. So you click on end. So so you can actually click on here. You can see task. So you can task here. Get your wallet. When you see different tasks, there are different tasks. So numerous tasks. You can also click on rewards. So when you click on reward, you can play. Click on play. You can this fortune wheel. So when you do this fortune wheel, you can turn. You can move from it. This turn that any turn that you actually withdraw it. The most interesting part of it, you can actually the airdrop itself. You can see this is turn, so you can win any of it. Now you need to connect to turn wallet. So then you click on fortune, click on fortune as it's the same way. So it's the app. Then you can also come to market. You can see market. You can use your balance. So when you boost, you increase your balance. That's meaning. So that's meaning. So when you use a booster with your balance, you what balance. You can also click. You can your bed also and also attract what attracts more on you. So don't fade this bed here. If you miss dogs, don't fade this bed. So you can also come to leader and referrals to see your referrals. You can actually click on your affiliate link here to affiliate link to invite your friends. You can click mine now. Go to top mine. Those people that are in people are actually here with this bed. So don't people are actually so if I get from this video, my channel this video.